What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss turning credit into cash and the fees associated with using the Go prepaid card to turn credit into cash. Guys, let's get started. So anyways, guys, you guys know that I love turning credit into cash. It's one of my most popular videos. But, for full disclosure, I want to make sure that I let you guys know there are some fees. There's some potential fees into turning credit into cash using my particular hack. Specifically, the Go prepaid card. There are some fees associated with using this card. Although I personally have never been charged any fees, I want to make sure that I let you guys know that there are some fees, and I can also cover with you guys the things that I have done to prevent being charged any of these fees. So anyways, so I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you guys can see the different fees that potentially you can be charged. And I'm also gonna go over what I have done to ensure that I am never charged any of these fees. And as of today, as I'm making these videos, I've never been charged any fee. No, take that back. I have been charged a fee once, and I'll cover that later on in the video. So anyways, like I said, up on the screen is the different fees on the terms and agreements for this card. So you guys can pause and read it yourself. And I'm also kind of go over it with you guys, well, a couple of the fees and what I've done to prevent being charged for these fees. So the first fee that I'm going to go over that's associated to this Go prepaid card is the inactive fee. They're going to charge you $1 a month for not using the card. And so after 6 months of inactivity, they're going to charge you $1 a month. And so anyways, as you can see, that what's up on the screen, there's a little more detail to that. You can pause and read the more details that they have in regards to that inactivity fee. But I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of that. And so anyways, so for me, I've never been charged that inactivity fee because I use the card practically in fact, I use it every single month since I've had this card. But, at a minimum, I've used it once, but most of the times I use it 4 times a month. But anyways, if you use the card, you shouldn't be charged that inactivity fee. Anyways, and the next one I want to touch on is the ATM transaction fee. They're going to charge you $1 for ATM transaction fee if you use the ATM to get the cash, which I use the ATM to get the cash all the time in this particular hack. And I've been charged a fee once. So typically I go to my local credit union, use the ATM to take out the cash. But one time I went to Chase, and I'm assuming it's because Chase is just a regular bank and not a credit union. That's why I was charged an ATM transaction fee. But all the other times I've taken cash off of the Go prepaid card, I've never been charged a transaction fee. So for me, it looks like using using a credit union to take out the cash, you should not be charged any type of fee. Anyways, and the other fee I want to touch on is the foreign transaction fee, which is 1% of the transaction when you're withdrawing the cash. I don't plan to ever use this card internationally, so I don't have to worry about that 1% transaction fee for using it internationally. In fact, I recommend you take the cash out of the card before you travel. But anyways, those are different fees that you potentially can be charged for using this card. There's some more fees, and you guys can see them up on the screen. You can pause to read the rest of them. But except for one time, and that was a mistake on my part, I've never been charged any type of fee for using this card. So anyways, if you guys want to see my original video about turning credit into cash, I'm a link in the description below to that video so you guys can see the full details about turning credit into cash. And like I've said before, I love turning credit into cash. I love this hack. It's very convenient for me. I use it over and over. And guys, this hack I think is a game changer, at least for me. It allows me, if I time it properly, it allows me to get a 0% interest loan for 58 days, guys. Where are you going to get a 0% interest loan for 58 days? You know, most people are going out there and doing the payday loans, and they're getting charged, you know, ridiculous fees and interest rates, and you know, and it's a mess, you know, for money that they need just temporarily and to get them through whatever. And with this hack, you can get a 0% interest loan. If you time it properly, you can get a 0% interest loan for 58 days. Guys, I mean, that is a game changer. I mean, in that 58 days, you know, there's a lot of things that you can do with that money and use it and pay them back within 58 days and not pay any interest, guys. So please, if you guys want to see more details about about this hack, like I said before, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for my original video about turning credit into cash. And if you haven't done so already, guys, if there's a red button down below that says subscribe, please hit it. I have it changed to a different color other than red. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of my loyal subscribers so far. Please give me a thumbs up. Also, guys, you know, I put a lot of work into this video. I would love for you guys to give me a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can push out this video to other people, because I'm sure that people are going to find, you know, my credit into cash videos very useful. And instead of, you know, you going out there and going to payday loans and so forth, which I don't recommend that you ever do. Once again, this is Mr. Credit Banking. That's all I have for you guys today. Peace.